G'day everyone, Chris here, coming back at you with another chili video. I just went out the back and I cut off this chili. Now, this is a Carolina Reaper and apparently they're pretty hot. So I am making a mussman curry tonight, so I'm going to cut this little baby up. I am going to try and see if I can get the seeds out of it first, so that I won't have the seeds with it, or I'll try and get a few seeds out first because I want to regrow a few more of them. So I'll be able to do that in the grow tent, start them off in the grow tent and then chuck them in the greenhouse and then in the garden. But anyway, we'll have a look at this thing. We'll see how hot it is. I'll just get dinner made first and then I can't smell anything. Doesn't feel hot. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Rightio guys, before I chop this chili up, I am going to try and see if it's got seeds. And the most important thing I need to do is wear gloves, because I am not going to put myself in a position where I'm going to get this shit on my fingers, and then if I go to the toilet, you know what happens. So what we'll do is I'll chop this. Oh, there's seeds. So there's not a heap of seeds, but there's a few. So I'm going to get all the seeds out, chuck them in a little container. Let me just smell it. Oh fuck, I mean shit, that's got it's almost a bit stronger than that yellow ghost pepper. So we'll get the seeds out. I'm glad I got the gloves on, because if I touch it, yeah, there's a couple there. Get them out. This will give me the opportunity to grow more of the Carolina Reaper chilies. Oh, I can smell that. Fuck, this is going to be hot. Oh, there's a few more seeds out the back there. Whoa. Anyway, we'll get it seeded and I can actually smell it from here. So yeah, it's pretty hot by the smell of it. Carolina Reaper. Come on. Seeds are stuck. Alright, and then I know the seeds have probably got more heat in them, but I need to get the seeds out so that I can plant more. Okay. Alright, so we got a fair few seeds in there. I'll get that. Oh shit, it's getting up my nose now. Whew, she's pretty toxic. Excuse me. Alright. So, we got the seeds. I'll try and get that chili out if I can. And we got the chili here. I'm going to chop that up and use that in the meal. She's smelling hot. Righto, so I've just chopped up the Carolina Reaper chili, and there it is. Now yes, there's no seeds, because I took all the seeds out so that I could germinate more plants. However, I didn't use gloves when I was cutting it up, so I can smell it on my fingers. Whew, she's pretty strong. Anyway, we've got the mussman curry set up, ready to go. I just started the rice, got the potatoes there, that, blah, 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 blah. All that sort of stuff. Muslim curry, peanut butter. Mix a bit of peanut butter in. And salt and pepper. And fresh basil out of the garden. Fresh basil. I would use coriander, but I haven't got enough at the moment. I've got 4 coriander plants growing, however they're only very small. Anyway, we'll see what this turns out like. Right here guys, dinner is cooked, and so that's my Muslim curry. It's got potato with mushroom, and here is, jeez, I've been smelling it, it's pretty strong. So we're going to put that on. Oh shit. Put that on, and what I'll do is I'll get a fork and I will mix that in. Or it even looks bad. Oh shit, I can smell it from here and I'm 2 foot away from it. Righto, so she's all mixed in. Let's go sit down and we'll eat it. Rightio, I'm in the front lounge room, got the news on. Here's the dinner. So I'm going to try, well, I might just eat the garlic bread first, but actually, yeah, I might just, right, let's get that, let's just mute the TV. I'll mute that. Let's have a mouthful of this shit. Oh crap. Right, ready? Here we go. I've got a bit of this. It's definitely got the habanero flavour. Alright, let's get a bit more. It's got a bit of warmth to it. It's definitely hot. Throat's burning a bit. So we've got I've only got the chili, I haven't got the seeds, because I took all the seeds out so that I can grow more Carolina Reaper plants. So I think, yeah, if it had seeds, more seeds, but yeah, it's got a bit of a kick to it, definitely. So that was only one, and it was seedless. Yep. She's definitely a lot hotter. Definitely a lot hotter. I can feel it now. Oh, yeah, right. So we've got a few bits of chili in there. Yep, definitely hot. That's got a good kick. But it's not only hot, it's got the sweet flavour as well. So it's really nice and sweet. Shit, you got the late kick on it. She's coming back. Gets hotter as you eat it. Gets hotter. Ugh. Anyway, that was only one Carolina Reaper. I've got to be honest, I wouldn't eat it, as I said on the last video, I wouldn't eat it like a strawberry. I don't think it doesn't taste any good. I prefer to put all my chilies in meals so that it gets the flavour going and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, Definitely this one's a lot hotter than the yellow ghost pepper and a lot hotter than the habanero. Yeah, she's starting to kick in now, so whew, shit. Anyway, I'll eat this and then I'll come back on as soon as I finish this and see how much, pardon me, how much it takes to kick in. Get that late kick creeping up on you. It's definitely hot. Fuck. Rightio. So I'm halfway through my dinner, and this chili's pretty hot. I got a throat's burn, tongue's burn. Shit. So she's got a lot of heat to it. Anyway, we'll try and get through it. This is got left. Damn. She's definitely got a lot of heat, that's for sure. Eyes are watering. Fuck. I don't think I'd do this again. I don't know how these guys can eat it just like a bloody strawberry. Wouldn't do that. Anyway, let's see how we go. Okay, so I've just finished dinner. And this chili, Carolina Reaper, even though it doesn't have any seeds, it's got a late kick on it. Oh shit! I'm trying to. Whew, fuck me! It is hot. It is hot. Way hotter than the habanero. Way hotter than the yellow ghost pepper. Oh shit! Ugh. I am, yeah. So I'm dealing with the late effects. Oh. Tongue is burning like nothing. I don't know how these guys can eat these things raw. As you saw, I only had the chili pepper, one chili pepper, no seeds. So, holy shit. I'm probably going to take 3 hours to bloody recover from this. Holy shit. Anyway. Chili pepper, great flavour, nice flavour, but geez, it's got a late kick to it. I've finished dinner. Now, I'm just dealing with the repercussions of the late onset of the burn. Oh shit. Anyway, Carolina Reaper, pretty damn hot. Nose is running like a bloody tap. Anyway, so hopefully I'll be able to grow a few more plants and we'll get some more Reapers. That'd be good. Anyway guys, if you like this video, give it a like. And stay tuned because I'm going to be growing a few more things, and I've got that Trinidad Scorpion chilies coming up, so we'll see how they go. But oh shit, this thing's pretty hot. Oh, me dead. Anyway guys, I'm Chris. See you on the next video. Alright, well, as quick as it came on, the heat has actually dissipated really quick. So it's only been about 5 to 10 minutes since I took that video of me burning up type of thing, and it's gone, actually all gone. So it's actually pretty good, but that was very interesting. It definitely held a lot of heat. The flavour was really nice as well, and it did come on. It crept up and came on later, so it definitely was a later kick in the guts, but beautiful, nice. I reckon it's a Carolina Reaper. Must be a Same genetics as the habanero and the yellow ghost pepper, and that they all smell the same. When I cut them open, they all smell the same sweetness, very sweet and very strong. So, but anyway, I wouldn't eat them just raw. I wouldn't do that. No fun in that. Got to eat them with meal. Anyway, guys, so the heat has actually dissipated. I actually don't feel any heat in my tongue or throat or anything now. So it's all gone. All good.